Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, click the thumbs up button. I'm gonna go over subscriber picks in this presentation. So I'm gonna jump right in, and these were people who left comments like, hey, can you check out this company, this other company, and what other company. So these are subs picks charts. I gathered these ticker symbols from subscribers. I'm only technically charting these. It's just straight statistical probabilities. These are not for sure outcomes. It's for financial advice or financial education, not for financial advice. Make sure they are strong companies fundamentally. So this is your responsibility to look at these companies' fundamentals. I'm just doing the charting on it. So the first one here is Blue Sky Uranium Corporation. It broke its downtrend. No matter which way you kind of draw this out, it's broken the downtrend and it's trending sideways to higher. Obviously, it's going to have to break through this little resistance line right here. But it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all for Blue Sky Uranium. Kirkland Lake Gold. So we broke this uptrend here, kind of went sideways, looked like a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder, which went up to the top here. And now we're kind of coming back. This could be even a cup and a handle pattern. Could be. So we're tracking down in this pattern here, declining in a downtrend. So we gotta wait and be patient and see if this thing pulls higher. That's what I would do with Kirkland Lake. Next is Westwater Resources. This one's looking pretty good. I kind of like it. We've got lots of volume down here coming in, big up days and the small pullback in. We've got big up days sprinkled within these big candlesticks that I've circled here. And then we've got these small little down days coming down. Another big kind of up day. So I'm guessing this thing's probably gonna go sideways or higher over time. That's what I would say. We also have a 50-day crossing the 200-day, which is good. Here is Africa Oil Corp. You can see the downtrend here. It broke the downtrend. Usually they break and then they kind of pull back like this, and then eventually I think this thing's gonna go sideways or higher. That's what I would guess. So that one looks pretty good. Africa Oil Corp. McEwen Mining looks exceptionally enticing. This is a very large chart pattern. We're right at the top of this downtrend. It's got to break this downtrend. When it breaks the downtrend, I think it's game on. So I think it looks extremely good. So I'll focus in on McEwen Mining here. And look, we broke out of the top side of this pattern as well. So I think it looks really good. We've got this nice little teeny pullback here. Over time, I think it's going to trend sideways or higher. That's my take on it. This is K92 Mining. This thing's already busting higher. 50-day moving over the 200-day, and it's, see you wouldn't want to be you. It's just up, going up in an uptrend. So it looks very strong, very good. And if you were to look at it for a continuation pattern, draw a line across here at about 640 or 650, somewhere in there. It's got to break through that, and I think it's going to continue to go higher. Here's Prudhoe Bay Royalty. Draw the downtrend line, broke to the upside, and is back testing. I think it's a good time to be purchasing on this back test. I think it's pretty good. Here is ExxonMobil. It is still in its chart pattern here, trending sideways. Maybe it comes back down or sideways in the middle of this pattern. But it's got to break this pattern to say, hey, look, we're in a definite uptrend, and it's looking exceptionally good. Right now, it's trending sideways at best or down. Fury Gold Mine. We've got a flag pattern here, pulled up high. We got a nice little flag pattern here. Wait for the break on the upside, and it's gone. So, but if it breaks to the downside, there could be some downside risk there. So that's what we had for subscriber picks. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of confidence, or maybe you're looking at something else to sell based off this information, whatever you use it for. But this is just technical analysis. It has nothing to do with fundamental analysis or the companies themselves. Again, this is just my opinion and my opinion only. It's not advice by any means. If you guys like this content, click the thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave comments below on what you guys like. Thanks for listening. This is Finding Value.